Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Sometimes it's nice to look back on years gone by and look at the classics, like Mozart and Beethoven, and those books by Stephen King. But as for me, I prefer the finer things. I prefer the real classics. That is, the Humongous Entertainment classics. Many of you that grew up in the early 90s up to early 2000s may remember the Humongous Entertainment classics, like Putt-Putt and Freddi Fish, Pajama Sam, and Spy Fox. I played just about every one of them. Not everyone, but a good handful. But my very first one was Putt-Putt Goes to the Moon. But we're not going to be talking about the CD-ROM release of this amazing title. We are going to be discussing the version that came on 6 high-density floppy disks. But we're going to install it today and rekindle the days of yore, when playing computer games as a child was as simple as 1, 2, 3, or should I say 3, 2, 1, blast off!
Putt-Putt Goes to the Moon was a children's game released by Humongous Entertainment back in 1993. It was their third game, released after Putt-Putt Joins the Parade and Fatty Bear's Birthday Surprise. It was originally released for MS-DOS-based personal computers or Macintosh systems on floppy disks, but was soon released on CD-ROM for Microsoft Windows version 3.1 and Apple Macintosh computers. A version was even released for the 3DO game system. But today we are covering the original version for MS-DOS. The system requirements were honestly pretty modest for the time. Pretty much all you really needed was a 286-based PC running at 12 MHz and 640K of RAM. But a 386 with around 2 megs of RAM was strongly recommended. You also needed a VGA graphics card, and while you could use the PC speaker, an Ad-Lib or Sound Blaster card was highly recommended, for obvious reasons.
But enough dawdling.
Let's get installing it. There we go. New install. Get this game installed here. Of course, gotta have our drink. Ready to install Putt-Putt Goes to the Moon. Let's see, Moon. And we'll let this do its thing, and we will be right back. And there we go, got the game all installed and ready to go. So let's step back into 1993 and play a childhood classic, Putt-Putt Goes to the Moon.
Excited! Mr. Firebird invited Pep and me to the fireworks factory. I bet this is going to be a great day.
Let's see what we can do here. Uh-oh. And there it goes.
Mr. Firebird invites everyone to come down to take a tour of the Cartown Fireworks Factory today.
Alright, looks like we're gonna go see the fireworks factory. I always loved these games growing up. There were just so many cool things to click on.
Peekaboo.
Okay, certain things. Hey, that was Fatty Bear. It was another game by Humongous Entertainment.
It says Fireworks Factory.
Yeah, Putt-Putt sometimes has a tendency to kind of remind me of Dora the Explorer. And there's Mr.
Hi, Mr.
Firebird.
Welcome, Putt-Putt. Would you like to help me make a skyrocket?
Boy, I wonder how much they had to pay GM to use the name Firebird.
It's for my big secret experiment.
Wow!
Just show me what you want to do.
Alright, Mr. Firebird, let's put together some fireworks.
The squiggly worms are my favorite.
They're neat.
Let's put some hearts in there, too.
Those hearts are sure pretty.
I hope those squiggly worms are Haribo's. I like those.
Bright stars.
And let's hit the test button and go blow some stuff up. There we go. And there we go. Kaboom! Alrighty. Let's see what else we can do in here. Let's see. It says do not touch. Okay. Well, we won't touch that. We'll just go over here and touch this completely innocent looking window that I'm sure won't do anything.
Butterfly.
Oh no.
Pep,
Stupid dog!
No!
what's happening?
You're gonna destroy us all!
Buckle your seatbelt, Putt-Putt.
You're going for a ride! Whoops. Yeah. Yeah. And there he goes.
Wow! Pep, we're in outer space!
Oh, goodness. Whatever will happen to Putt-Putt and Pep now? To find out more, you must try out the game for yourself. Or just look at one of the many YouTube videos about the game. There's hundreds of them. But yeah, I used to enjoy playing that game an awful lot as a kid, and I still get enjoyment out of it today. It's just good, clean, innocent fun. I mean, you know, the animation was pretty good for the time, the music was excellent, the voice acting was cute and enjoyable. I mean, the Humongous Entertainment line of games was fantastic for all ages. You didn't have to be 4 or 5 years old to enjoy their games. There was a lot of thought and a lot of heart and soul put into those games. And I think that's one of the best things that children's line of software can bring to the table. It's clean fun, enjoyment for the whole family, and more importantly, good life lessons, social skills, things like that. There are lessons you can grow on. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you'll excuse me, I think I'm gonna go play some Pajama Sam now. Catch y'all later.